Hi, my name is Vasilis and this is a free video on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can reverse the order of a list of cells so that the cells that the data that are in the cells in the bottom will go to the top and this way you will change the order upside down. Let's see that in an example. I have here a list of cities and their corresponding countries, and I want to have the list inverted like this. So Paris went down, and Rome came second from last, and from the others the same thing too. If you want to see more videos like this, you can consider to subscribe, to press the subscribe button that is located here at the top, this corner, or you can press the like button if you like it, share it with your friends, and you can also leave a comment if you want me to create a video of something that you would like to see how it is done in the following weeks. Now, let's see how this can be done. I will go here to the start worksheet. The easiest way to do it, because I will show you two ways to do it. This is the easy way, and then because I think that we need to see something more, I will show you a more difficult way to do it. The easiest way to do it is to create a new column here. So I will right-click on column A, and I will insert a new column, and here I will insert numbers from 1 to 20. So 1 here, and I can right-click on the fill handle and drag it to the 20th row and fill series here. So I have this, now that I have this list, I can do just a sort. So from the home tab I can go to sort and filter and say that I want to sort from largest to smallest, and just like that I have my list the other way around. So the easiest way is just to create a new column, put numbers in an order, and reverse this order so you have the data upside down. Now, if you don't want to do this, or for some reason you can't create the extra column, you need a much harder way to do it, and by using this much harder way to do it, it's a very good example of how the index function works in Excel. So I will show you that right now. I will undo these changes here so that I have my initial list, and now I will use the index function here in column D. So equals index, I will open a parenthesis. How the index function works. The index function will take first an array as a parameter, so I will select from A1 to B20. And now it takes two more parameters, which is the row number and the column number I want. Let me use it so that you can understand. If I say here row 1 and column 1 and close the parameter and enter, I get Paris. Why Paris? Because Paris is in row 1 and column 1 of the data area that I chose, the array that I chose. I will double click here. If I say, for example, that I want row 3, column 2, then I get Germany, because Germany is in row 3 and column 2. So index does something that seems to be very easy. It just takes an array, and then it takes two parameters that it says which row and which column of this array. But because the column and the row are numbers now, I can do a lot of things in order to get the results that I want. Now, for what I want here the first column, so I will change that. And now, here, I would like to have, since I am in row 1, I want the data in row 20. When I will be in row 2, I want the data in row 19. And that's the way I want to go. So I want 20 minus 1 plus 1 to get 20 here. And this way, 20 minus 2 plus 1 will give me 19. So what I need here is, what is the row number for cell A20? I can't just write A20 here because it's the cell. I need to use the function called row. There's a function called row here. So row, parenthesis, and A20. Now, this function will return the row number of the cell that I used as a parameter. So it will return 20. So minus the row number of cell A1, plus 1, And this is the way I will get 20 for the first for the column when I'm in first row, 19 when I'm at the second row, 18 when I'm at the third row, and so on. I will press enter here, and if I try to use the fill handle, you will see that it will not work as expected. I will press Ctrl Z here and I will double click. It will not work as expected, because what I need to do here is create absolute references to the cells that you don't want them to change. For example, the array must not change, and some cells must not change when I drag the fill handle, so I will need to change that. In order to use the absolute reference, I will put dollars here, so it's $A, $1, $B, $20, so that if I write this area with dollars before the column and the row, this is an absolute reference, and it will not change when I use the fill handle. I also need $A20 not to be able to change, so it's $8, $20, so this will remain constant too. But I want A1 to be able to change, so I will not change that, and I will press enter here. So I got Zurich, but if I drag the fill handle, now I get the other cities as well, as you can see right here. And I can use the fill handle to the right and double click here to get the second column. I don't mind that A1 became B1 because it's the row that I want, so it doesn't matter here. Enter here, and maybe I will double click here on the fill handle, and that's the way I got the result upside down, but without inserting the column. Now if I want just the data from this area here, because now the area, if you look at the formula bar, is considered of the functions that these functions need the original data, and then maybe I want just to replace this data with this. I can select them, Ctrl C to copy, and let me click here, and I will open the paste button, and I will go to paste special, and I will use values so that I will paste only the values from the results of the functions. Okay, now I have just data here. It's text, and this text can be used wherever I want. I can replace the text here. I can also delete this. Even if I delete all these with this right click and delete, I have the data in upside down. Let me press Ctrl Z here, the way I want it. So if you just need to, if you can insert the extra column, just insert the column, put the rows, the numbers, and make a sort. If you can't insert the column, or for another reason you want the index function, this is a very good example how the index function works. This is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, press the like button or share it with a friend. And as I said at the beginning, you can leave a comment and tell me what you want to see in the following weeks. Thank you for watching.